I've been meaning to tell you this, Mahila. Whenever I was with Blue, he was talking about changes to this station, so I did, and it was, with Birds of Prey is a lonely view or something like that. And I got mad. I was like, no, that's. I said the desert, like those. I said the desert, those Arabian girls, like, um, I said that's the way to go or something, like it's beautiful, and I didn't understand him at the time. I didn't know what he meant, but um, I think he meant that you know Vietnam. Those are some of the last surviving veterans around the globe in the U.S. and um, my flock um, of the military. A lot of them didn't make it, man. And I knew that from when I went down to Hooters Oyo by Tropicana, and I talked to the bartender, and he was saying a lot of them were committing suicide, and they were all Iraq, Afghanistan, and um, he was saying they were having a really like a lot of trouble, like just with everything, just making it with jobs. A lot of them were bartenders or something like that, and then like they were handling the stress, but it was like something else was getting to them, you know. And like the one I talked to specifically said, like a lot of them were just completely gone. Like they all were just ending their lives like one after another. I'm not I'm not joking. Like it was really bad, man, and I think that that's what Blue was talking about because he knew about how all of them were doing in the military because he spent time at Fort Hood in Texas, and he was one of the trainers of the other soldiers. And like I think Fort Hood, they kind of go through what it's going to be like in the Justice League sense, to assemble the crews, like to assemble the platoons and everybody. They go through the Charlottes, and they know what it's going to be, and like as much as they can know before it happens in that sense. So um I just want to show this, and that's that.